Hello everyone, I am Tithi Agrawal, Solutions Engineer at Athena Intelligence. We are building an enterprise AI analyst for Fortune 500s. Today we'll be talking about the enterprise application developer who is tailored to create and deploy interactive Python-based applications, particularly using Streamlit, for data analysis, visualization, and user interaction. Let's see this in action. Consider a financial firm looking to visualize their portfolio performance. The developer is designed to streamline workflows by integrating seamlessly with the Athena SDK for asset management, SQL execution, and app deployment, making it an ideal tool for building enterprise-grade solutions. Great. As we can see, the developer has successfully generated and deployed the app. We can see the underlying code that the developer has used to generate the app and the deployed app itself within the chat interface. We can also directly access and interact with the app on the deployed version. Great. This is an interactive app and we can gain insights into the portfolio value over time for each month. We can also choose to see the portfolio data and the sector data that the developer has used to create these graphs. We can also choose the different visualizations that it has created for us, for example, the sector allocation. This is how complex interactive apps can be easily generated and deployed using the Enterprise Application Developer in Athena. Thank you.